Welcome to today's feature, where we explore one of the most iconic names in luxury automobiles, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. With its latest iteration, Rolls-Royce has elevated their flagship sedan to a new level of elegance, sophistication, and innovation. From the moment you lay eyes on the Phantom, you're greeted with a commanding presence. Its timeless design combines classic proportions with subtle modern touches, making it instantly recognizable yet undeniably contemporary. The iconic Pantheon grille is illuminated, creating a stunning visual signature, and the spirit of ecstasy now glides seamlessly into the design, offering a perfect balance of tradition and progress. Under the hood, the 2025 Phantom boasts a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, producing effortless power and delivering a driving experience unlike any other. With 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, it glides down the road with an almost eerie level of smoothness. The advanced air suspension system scans the road ahead and adjusts in real time, ensuring that every journey is as serene as possible. Transported into a world of pure luxury. The Phantom's interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring the finest materials hand-selected from around the world. Every detail is customizable to the owner's preferences, from the type of leather to bespoke embroidery and even personalized artwork in the dashboard's gallery section. Technology is seamlessly integrated into the Phantom, enhancing the experience without detracting from its elegance. The latest infotainment system is discreetly hidden when not in use, and rear seat passengers are treated to a theater-like experience with individual screens, a starlight headliner, and the finest reclining seats available in the automotive world. Safety and innovation also take center stage, with advanced driver assistance systems and cutting-edge features like night vision, a 360-degree camera, and a heads-up display, all designed to make every drive safe and effortless. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't just a car, it's a statement of achievement, a symbol of success, and the ultimate luxury experience. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride from the back seat, the Phantom redefines what it means to travel in style. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more incredible automotive features. See you next time.